right now I'm standing underneath one of Pakistan's biggest waterfalls in the entire country. This waterfall is around 180 feet tall, and we're at an elevation right now of around 9,000 feet. You've got a little restaurant here as well, coffee truck over there. Actually got accommodation right up there that you can stay in. This is honestly such a cute little spot. Come chill out, come have some tea, some coffee. Behind me as well, you got the gang playing some cards as well. What a spot to play some cards, man. And this is another thing. Have a look at the fresh cherries growing behind me. The colors are honestly beautiful.